In the heart of the untouched Alaskan wilderness, adventurers gather around wilderness expert Tom Carter for an intensive survival workshop. Tom, with years of experience under his belt, starts by demonstrating the art of shelter building using natural resources, teaching participants how to stay warm in the coldest climates. Next, he introduces fire-starting techniques, showing how to create life-saving flames with minimal tools, even under harsh weather conditions. As the group huddles around the crackling fire, Tom delves into the essentials of foraging, highlighting edible plants that sustain life in the wild. The session concludes with a hands-on lesson in natural navigation, where adventurers learn to traverse landscapes without modern aids, empowering them with skills to conquer nature's challenges.